Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno 5Z, and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So now we have selected here these miracle circles. Just to change the fingerprint sensor animation, we should launch the settings application and then scroll down to the password and security. Then select here fingerprint, draw your pattern or enter the password and select here fingerprint animation, and after that just select one from this available animations, one from this which you will like. For example, I'll use this fireworks. After that let's go back, lock the device, and now we can see that we just successfully changed the fingerprint sensor animation. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.